What if I told you that the secret to a thriving garden isn't just sunlight and water, it's what's happening under the surface? Today, I'm going to show you the best ways to turn your soil into a rich, living ecosystem that grows the healthiest plants you've ever seen. Healthy soil means healthy plants, more food, better flowers, and stronger roots. Even if you've never gardened before, these tips will make your soil better in just days, and over time, your garden will thrive like never before. If you love gardening tips like these, hit that like button, share this video with your gardening friends, and subscribe for more great content every week. Alright, before we start improving the soil, we need to know what it is and why it matters. Soil is not just dirt, it's a living system full of bacteria, fungi, earthworms, and nutrients. Let's talk about soil types and how to identify yours. Clay soil is heavy and holds water, but can be hard as a rock when dry. Sandy soil drains too fast and lacks nutrients, while loamy soil has the best balance, full of organic matter, and holds just the right amount of moisture. To do a simple soil test at home, grab a handful, add water, and squeeze. Does it stay firm, fall apart, turn into a sticky mess? This tells you what you're working with. Pro tip: earthworms are your best soil health indicators. If you see them, your soil is alive and healthy. If not, stay tuned for how to fix it. Now that you know your soil, let's supercharge it. Add organic matter, the magic ingredient. Compost made from kitchen scraps, leaves, and grass clippings turns into nutrient-rich soil food. Aged manure from cows, horses, or chickens is great, but let it decompose first. Cover crops like clover or alfalfa can be grown and then mixed into the soil. Pro tip: avoid using fresh manure as it can burn plants. Next, let's talk about mulching, nature's blanket. Mulch keeps moisture in, blocks weeds, and slowly breaks down into nutrients. The best mulches are straw, wood chips, leaves, or grass clippings. Pro tip: never pile mulch directly against plant stems. It can cause rot. Encourage worms and microbes, your tiny garden helpers, by adding organic matter and avoiding chemicals. Use compost tea or worm castings to boost soil life. Pro tip: don't till too much. Tilling kills beneficial microbes. Balancing soil pH is crucial for maximum growth. Use lime to raise pH for acidic soil and sulfur to lower pH for alkaline soil. Most plants love a pH of around 6-7. Pro tip: a simple pH meter costs less than $20 and can save your garden. Remember, soil is always changing. Keep feeding it, and it will reward you year after year. Rotate crops and rest sections of your garden to prevent nutrient depletion. Start small, experiment, and keep learning. Gardening is a journey, not a race. Did you learn something new today? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, share with a fellow gardener, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video. Happy gardening!